Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and we are back with another video for you all because I have been noticing that some of you have questions ki is your store, how can you place orders. So for everyone out there, we have a store in Kolkata, and if you are in Kolkata, then please visit the store because that is the best way to buy anything. You can see things by yourself and get whichever one you like. And if you're outside Kolkata, then definitely you can check out our website, or you can just DM us or comment on our YouTube. We will definitely get in touch with you. So today let's start with our video without any further ado. Okay, so the first product that I'll show you today is this. What is this? Definitely a cup, but this is not really a cup. Looks like one, but this is a plant holder, as you can see. All right, you can hang it, on the wall, and you can put the plants. You can put real, fake, whichever ones you like. And this also comes in a set. All right, there are two and three, however one you like. It comes in a set, and these are plant holders. Again, this is this specific shape and color, but we have different ones, different plant holders, which are very quirky, very fun, very different, and gives a very aesthetic touch to your wall. So yeah, this is our plant holders. Okay, moving on to our next product, we have this. This. Okay, this is set of erasers. Now this is themed. This is different vegetables themed. We have tomatoes. We have these are so cute. We have brinjal. We have pumpkin. We have lal mirchi. All of them are erasers. And look at the bees. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, so yeah, they do have a little bit of a fruity smell to them. All of this are erasers, and they are very good in quality. uh, what I mean by that is, like, it erases well, because some erasers you know tears the papers, or they just are bad, they don't rub off the well, but these rather are amazing. And again, it comes in a set, and this is very cute. You can learn The kids can learn the vegetables with the help of this. They can use it for their studying, and this is in all, it's very fun. So this is something you should definitely get. Okay, moving on to our next product is something very playful, because I thought today I should show it to you. Now, this is a small water game. As you can see, this is like a bear, and this is like proper nostalgia. You can just do this, and the bees will go up, and you can put your marks on it. As you can see, it is very fun. I think to get your kids off your phones and screen, this is the best thing, because this is pure nostalgia. This is for the 90s kids. I know that you all agree with me, and this is somewhere nostalgia to you as well. This is definitely still relevant today, and kids, they still love this. We just need to get this to them, and they'll definitely have lots and lots of fun with this. Okay, moving on to our next product, we have this. These are three erasers, donut shaped eraser. Now, as I always tell you, that donuts are something which no one can get over with. The size is very small, very, very, very cute, and you get three in one box. For this, you can't buy it individually because this comes in with a set, but we have different other eraser options which you can buy the one piece. But this, you need to get three, and these are quite small and cute. The donuts look yummy. I can eat them all right now, but I cannot because these are erasers. but definitely it's very playful, very fun, very colorful. Your kids will definitely love this. All right, moving on to our next product. Okay, let me show you this. This is a set of pencils with eraser attached at the back of the pencil, as you can see. Now it comes in with 6 set of pencils with erasers, and all the erasers are, as you can see, of different animals and cartoons. Tigers, there's penguin, there's bears, there's rats, and everything, as you can see. So all the themes are different from another, none of them are repeating or same. So again, it comes in with this set, and the theme of the erasers also, we have a lots of variety, so whichever one you like, you can take it. All right, moving on to our next product, we have, okay, this. How cute is this? What do you think is this? Because I definitely think this is a wallet. Is it? No. Again, I have tricked you all. This isn't a wallet. Looks like one, but if you open it, it is a small diary. You can write, you can note down things, it's like a notepad. And again, there are rule pages, as you can see. And then there are blank pages, which is also available. Whichever one you like, you can write on it. And we have the color options are also different. We have a few blue pages and then a few orange pages, and everything comes under one thing in this cute wallet. How fun is this? I think this is what we wait to, share it with our customers, the quirky, the real quirky ones. And this is extremely quirky. It looks like a wallet purse, but it is a diary inside. And again, the outer shell, as you can see, this is one specific theme. You can get it in different themes, whichever one you like. Okay, moving on to our next product, we have this giant file holder, as you can see. Extremely spacious. It fits in all your official documents, papers, everything in one. You can just clap it like this. Done. And it's handy. Everything is together. And again, the outer cover is cute, sweet. The color, I'm loving the color. I just love the color. And this is very handy, very cute. Again, let me just show it once again. This comes in with 2 different clips, and you open it like this. It's humongous. It's huge. You can fit in a lot of papers here. All right. The outer color, this is a little bit, as you can see, purplish, but you get different other colors, whichever one you like. Okay, moving on to our next product is this. I'm very hungry. I want to just eat it. Oh, no, this is not a burger. This looks like one. What is this? Okay, this is, ta-da! This is a lamp. Now let me show it to you. This is a lamp, as you can see, and this wire is very bendable. If you want the light here, you get it here. If you, let's say, want the light like this on my face, you get that too. So whichever one you like, you can get it. All right, so again, this is a lamp. It's very cute. It's very compact, very unique. You get it from Artsty. And with not only this, we have different options, different variety, different quirky products. This is one of our best sellers, by the way. I think you should definitely get this because it's very fun. The kids will love it. This burger themed lamp, and because we love to, show this product to all our customers, and they equally love this. All right, moving on to our last product for today is this. This is a very cute mini suitcase for kids. It's extremely spacious, as you can see. It's extremely spacious. It has 2 compartments, and then you get this divider, which you can pull up the chain like any other adult suitcases that we have. You can pull up the chain, and this is another chain here where you can store your small things, and then you can put it off, and then you put it back in, and then you go for your lock the suitcase. The outer color, this is sky blue, but we have many options, a lot of options. Whichever one you like, you can get it. Very handy. It is not going to break or fall off and just create a scratch. Nothing of that sort is going to happen. Very handy, very cool. Something I'm sure which will make you look very cool and very different, I would say, than your regular bags, because this thing fits in the same, rather more, because it's extremely spacious from inside and very fun to carry. So if you want to be cool and if you want to be quirky, just like our products, you should definitely try our products, use them, or gift it to someone you like. So today we have come to the end of the video. I have shown you more or less everything I wanted to. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let us know which one was your favorite product. I'll see you in the next video with another quirky video. Bye.